Good day, traders. How we doing today? This is a 2-minute chart. I just woke up. I fell asleep around 10:30 after I finished trading, and I just woke up, so it's like 12:15. Oh well, I needed that sleep like no tomorrow. Anyway, I started trading a little early today, and let me see if I can read these entries. And I don't know, I did about 3 trades or 4 trades here. And I was up like 70 points. And then I bought this right here. I bought this fucking dip thinking, oh yeah, I was going to go back up and go higher. Didn't fucking do that. It went down. And I got out right here. Fucking gave back nearly everything I made. Oh, don't you just hate that? You do a trade, you win, and then you do another one, and you give it back. Oh, it's awful. But as you can see, I put up my fist like Don and said, "Fight, fight, fight!" Oh, and did you hear some good news with Don yesterday on the weekend? He says first day in office, he's going to fire Gary Gensler right off the map. Yeah, that's good news. That's good news. Anyway, so I didn't trade till over here. So here's the opening right here. I sold it right there and I got out right there. It was beautiful. Got that money back that I lost in here. Yeah, it opened up, and it was telling you to sell it, but you got to be quick and know when to get out of it. Not that I knew what, like for sure I need to get out right here, but I got out just a few ticks before the bottom here, before they took it way the fuck up here, these guys. And then I did this trade here. I bought long here. Why would I buy long here? Well, let me show you. So we have a low and a lower low right there, la-di-da. And from in here somewhere to right there. That's the divergence. That's why I bought right in here. Took profits. And then I did some other trading here for a few ticks. I just wanted to make this certain amount, like it was like 170 or 200 ticks I made. And that's why I did this stupid little trade right here. And I don't even know where I did the fucking trade. Where did you get in, it's gold, and you get out and it's white. Okay. So this one I got in here, I got out here. Then this one I got in here. Look, if I make it bigger. Yeah. I got in here because of the divergence, right? It almost closed. I got in and then I got out right here. Then it pulled back and I got in again and I got out right here. I think, yeah, I suffered the drawdown on this one and I got out here, yeah. So anyway, that was my fun-filled trading today. I did good. I did really good. Yes, indeed. So let me just do this now. Let's get rid of all those little fucking arrows and whatever else, eh? That's a lot better. Okay, let's show you the divergence setup. So right here. Actually, it's right here. Right on the opening of this candle. Boom. That's where you would have bought it. And up it went. There's no divergence over here on this side. Okay? Yeah. And then we had, what did we have? Up here, we had a high and a higher high. Remember I told you about those higher highs? I told you about them. You find the higher highs at the top of the move, And you'll find the lower lows, like over here, at the bottom of the move. Fucking A, man. Fucking A. See, right there? Oh, I feel so much better. I'm just starting to wake up now. I needed sleep like unbelievable. I couldn't sleep now. It must have been a week. A week now. And I couldn't fucking sleep. And oh, I finally got some sleep today. An hour and a half. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus, for letting me sleep. Thank you with all my heart. Okay, and we have the lower low on the Osma right here. So we would have got short exactly right on the opening of this candle right here. And I almost did this trade. It would have been a winner. But it was moving too fast and it moved too far away. And I said, no, I'm not going to sell it down here below these wicks. That's why I left it alone. And then for before I let this green line, I just figured out where it was when I left. It was around 10:45, 10:50, something like that. And I slept right through this. Incredible. Oh yeah. So anyway, I got to show you all the setups, whether they worked or not. Here's the double bottom right there. And here's the divergence right there. So if you would have got long, it didn't go very far for very long. It didn't go up for very long. But the actual entry point was on the opening of this candle right here, this nice bullish candle. So if you would have got in there and you would have got out somewhere here before it tanked, you would have been good. You would have been good, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Okay, and there's divergence again. Like, let me show you. I'm not shitting you. This is divergence. You know my setups aren't bullshit. You know that. Or, hold on here. I think I'll want to draw that on that one. Like that. That's the only way I could draw it. Otherwise it wouldn't line up in the bottom. From here, right. Let's see, with the crosshair. Oh yeah, see right there. Lines up right there, baby. Okay, hold on. Okay, off. Okay. So, this one here goes right down here like this. Okay? And that's it. It lines up. Everything lines up. So then you would have been a seller right after this big bearish candle down on the opening of this little candle right here. Okay, let's make this bigger so you can see right there. See? You see the hidden divergence right there? Boom, 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 boom. This was the double bottom one right here. And you would need to get in here, and it only went so far. Let me see what it would have done. If you say it skipped a little bit. And your maximum potential is 110. 110 ticks. I don't know, is the stop 110 ticks? So let's see. 112 ticks. It was very close. The market's moving so fast you couldn't do those trades, man. You just couldn't. Anyway, this was probably a losing trade to buy it here. Okay? To buy here, it was probably a losing trade. But the next trade, the hidden divergence from here to here and here to here, right there was the opening. Oh, that one definitely worked. Remember, I'm going to use the arrows for all the setups now, okay? Just to make it easier. Look at this. Higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. Higher close. Sell it. down it goes. And that's enough of that. Yeah. And then we have, there's lots of beautiful setups today. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Just like a beautiful lady. Yes. Yes, indeed. Yes, hold on. Oh, I need the arrow. Okay. Right here, you would have been a buyer, and look at it, just went up. Blue all the way up, baby. Blue candles all the way up. Except for this little one right here. And I would not do a lower close, buy it right here after it rallied up all this way. So there you have it, the 2-minute time frame, the NASDAQ, all those beautiful setups. It was a beautiful thing. Just like a Harvey's hamburger. Okay. The only people in Canada would know about Harvey's. Harvey makes a good burger, let me tell you. Way better than Wendy's, McDonald's, Burger King. Much better than all of those. Hardee's in California. I just love the burgers at In-N-Out Burger in California. They're so good. They're so good. You live in California? Go for an In-N-Out Burger. They're really good. Okay, so that's all the setups for the 2-minute. Do we want to take a quick gander at the 5? Yeah. Yeah, we do. Actually, I'd rather do it with the other chart. Yeah, this is the 5. Yeah, let's do this one. Doesn't have anything marked on it. Okay, so we'll put that right there on top. There's the same chart, but the 5-minute. As you can see, I drew this in last night, this double bottom, and look at it, went all the way up. Look at that. Look at that beautiful thing. Look at that beautiful divergence right from here last night. You would have got in right there, all the way up to there. See? 400 ticks, man. 400 tickers on that trade. Okay, let's go this way. And what do we have? Oh, no, it's not. I thought we had a high, a retracement, and a higher high. We do have that, but it's not divergent because this mountain on the right side is bigger than the left, and it needs to be the opposite of that. So there was no setup. But I will show you the setup. Well, I don't know. Now, look. Here's the higher close right here, and look, it went way the fuck up here. That would have scared you out of the trade for sure. Oh, for sure. Right in here. So I don't see any setups in here. Okay, like higher close and sell it down it goes kind of thing. It's not happening. Look at this. All red candles all the way down. All red candles all the way down. There's no setup in here to buy it. There's no setup up here to sell it. There's fucking nothing on the 5 minutes today. That's why I was trading on the 2-minute on the other chart. Okay, so that's it for Ninja Trader for today. Let's roll in MetaTrader 4. Come on, get in there, you bugger. Okay, it's the 5-minute. This is what we were just looking at. There's no setups. Oh, wait a minute. Did I miss one? Oh, I did too. It's right here. Higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. You see it? Okay, hold on, ladies and gentlemen. It's right here. There's one trade. I missed it. I guess I wasn't looking for it somehow, some way. Okay, right there. Higher close, sell it, down it goes, and it went down 72 ticks or points or whatever you want to call them. That was a beautiful trade right there, right at the fucking bottom. Okay, let's look at the S and the P. This is the 5-minute. There's no divergence here to sell. There's no divergence. There's no divergence here to sell it. Geez, what a crappy day. And on this one, this same setup right here is a what? It's a hook. No. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's a hook down, but who's going to sell? Wait for the price to close way down here. If you did, boy, did you lose. You sold it at the bottom. There's a fucking hook down that did not work. Remember, you get in all my trades on the close of the candle. You got to remember that. So this here, if you're waiting for the close, and it kept coming down here and kept coming down here, right here, it was disqualified for a trade at the low, because that's where you would have took profit if it you know, it closed somewhere up here, but it didn't. It closed way the fuck down here. So that is a disqualifying candle setup right there. There's no trade there. Okay, let's move on now to the Dow. What did it do? Look at this one candle. 200 ticks right there in that big red candle. There's no selling from up here. There's no divergence. The only trade I see oh shit. It's this. It's a hook down. Come on. Right here. So when this candle closed, which was very far from that top, which was 111 ticks or points from the top. So you would have sold right in here. If you're brave enough to do it, you got to realize that the Dow moves much, much more in length of points than the NASDAQ or the S&P. So, you know what I mean? How you got to calculate that in there? So you could have sold it somewhere in here and you still would have done well. And then we had a double bottom right there, okay? And we disqualify this, you know, part of the rundown, and right here to here, okay? That was your trade setup. And right on the opening of this bluish candle right here, you would have got in, and it went up 160 points. Okay, we don't look at the pound anymore or the euro. We look at the pound yen. Oh, God. It's just awful. It's just awful, man. It's just... I don't even know where I could say I could draw any setup here. Well, there's a little setup here. Right there, a lower close, buy it, up it goes. Here is a higher close, sell it, down it goes a little bit. This was a hookup, I think. I don't know. I don't like this fucking goddamn pound yen shit. God damn it. Yeah. So you would have got long right there in the opening of this candle, and it went up. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'm drawing on there. There's no divergence over here either. I thought I was on the 15-minute. I'm not. I'm on the 5. There's no fucking setups there. Euro yen's probably the same shit. Oh, it looks even worse. Ah, Mozi. Where's the fucking trades here? There's no trade here. There's no trade. Oh, no, there's a trade here. I don't know what good it would have done you. You have lower lows and, you know, the opposite on the OSMA. You would have got in long right in here. Right there. You would have got long and it went up. 23 lousy pips. I ain't marking anything else on this fucking chart. Now let's look at oil. Oh, look at oil. Back down again today. What did it do Friday? Oh, fuck. Two big fucking bearish candles. Look at that. They're taking it right back down here again. Whatever. Okay. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here's the lower lows. Doody-doody-doo. This is oil, ladies and gentlemen. Oil. Oil, oil, oil. Just like that. You would have got long in here. Oh, getting a pain in my knee. Right here. And it went up, 37 pips. And then look what we have here. We have railroad tracks to the upside, but we also have a what? A sell fake. A fucking sell fake. So it's a hookup. It's a hookup, man. And you would have got, okay, there's the hookup sign, the X. And you would have got long right here on the opening of this candle right here. And how much did it go up? It went up 68 ticks to the top. Maximum potential would have been around 65 ticks. No. Yeah, ticks. We're looking at oil. Ticks. Woo! Hard to say that one. So right in here, we have a beautiful higher close. Sell it, and down, way down it goes. How much did that sucker go down from here? 129, let's say 130 ticks. And right here is let's make it bigger. What do we see up there? Come on, you can tell me. Right here. We have a hook down. We have a buy fake, and then boom, right back down, right on the opening of this candle. You would have sold it, and down it went. You would have been good. Yeah, you would have been good. So we had a hook up, we had a hook down, and we had a higher close, sell it down it goes, and we had easy to see bullish divergence, and the entry was there. Yeah, it was beautiful on oil today. Could have made a fucking fortune today on oil. Yeah. Did I tell you Don is for the crypto, man? Don is all in. Yeah. Oh, the other side, let's just say, they must be fucking pissed, man. Yeah, because everything that's trying to stop the crypto, Don's gonna fucking erase all that and change it all. Yeah, that's all I can say. I kind of have to talk in code, like I can't say full names, and because YouTube don't like it. Yeah. Anyway, so that was oil. Then it got really shitty down here. Fucking chop. Okay, let's look at gold now. It's our last one for today. Today is Monday. I slept in today. Well, actually, I got up, I traded, I made the money, then I went to fucking sleep. And oh, did I get some good sleep. I feel almost alive now. I needed that sleep so bad. It's been about a week, man. I haven't slept much in a week. Unreal. Okay, what do we have here? We have gold is the last one on our ticket today. And I see one setup. Let me show you. This is the 5 minute. Right here like that. We got short right there. Our stop would have been right up here. You see how it came back a little bit and freaked people out, and then it came down all the freaking way down from right here is the entry. 230 points, ladies and gentlemen, on gold. And we also had Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And higher close. Oh, I don't know. That one would have been tough. You know what this is right here? This is the, what do they call it again? The flag. This is the fucking flag. See that? Yeah. Who else draws lines like that on their chart? Yes. Patrick Wieland. Yeah, he trades the flags too. Here's another one up here too. Let me show you. Right here. Yeah, and you sell it there, down it goes, boom. And you sell it once it breaks this line, and down it goes, boom. That's it. They're called flags. He calls them flags too, I think. Yeah. But they're really good to trade, and he's totally right by choosing this kind of setup, because it works really good. It really does. The first time I traded flags, I'm trying to remember now. I think it was 2007, 8, or 9, somewhere around there. That's when I used to trade them. But like I said, in 2011, that's when I went to the divergence side of things and became a pro at it. And that's it. Because I studied it for so long, I didn't give up, man. I didn't give up. No way. It's good stuff. Okay, so that's it for that. Let's take a quick look now at Bitcoin. Oh, well, let's come down a little bit. XRP, did it come down? Aww. I wanted it to rally right up and take out the wicks today. It didn't do that. Oh, well. Very, very bullish news on Saturday and Sunday, man. Very, very bullish. Like, we're talking Bitcoin bullish, you know? But yeah, but doesn't seem to move anything. I wonder who's in charge of moving these markets. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Anyway, silver, I bet, has gone down. Yeah, it's gone down. Yeah, they're stepping on that again. The big dogs. Woo, woo. And Ethereum, yeah, it's coming down a little bit. And that's it for today. So anyway, I want to say once again, this is Jason Sweezy, the Divergence Trader. I want to thank you all for coming out and watching today. Sorry the video's a little late coming out today, but you know why. I needed some sleep. I had to get some shut-eye. So if you like this video, you like what you've seen, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button. This would be good. So come back tomorrow. We'll see you then with some more A+ setups. And yeah, good luck and good trading.